If you're planning to retire on dividends, there's one mistake that can quietly destroy your income plan. And it has nothing to do with picking bad stocks. It's choosing the wrong type of dividend ETF for the stage of life you're actually in. Today, we're going to settle one of the most important debates in dividend investing: SCHD versus DGRO. Two elite dividend ETFs. Two completely different philosophies. And only one may truly support your retirement lifestyle the way you expect. By the end of this video, you'll know which ETF pays more reliable income, which one grows your income faster, which one survives market crashes better, and most importantly, which one fits your retirement timeline. This is not hype. This is not opinions. This is long-term dividend reality. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Why dividend investing fails most people. Most investors believe dividend investing means buy a high-yield ETF, collect cash, retire peacefully, but that mindset alone is why many portfolios fail. Because retirement income isn't just about yield or current payouts, it's about consistency, growth, capital preservation, and inflation protection. This is exactly where SCHD and DGRO separate. They are both dividend ETFs, but they are designed for very different jobs. What funding your retirement really means. Funding retirement does not mean highest yield today, biggest monthly payment this year. It means income that grows faster than inflation, dividends that don't collapse in recessions, a portfolio you don't have to babysit at age 70. So as we compare SCHD versus DGRO, we're asking one question only: can this ETF realistically pay your bills for 20 to 30 years without destroying your capital? SCHD overview: the income engine. SCHD is built for one primary purpose: reliable, high-quality dividend income. Key characteristics, explained slowly in video, focuses on established U.S. companies, screens for strong cash flow, consistent dividend payments, financial health, rebalanced annually. SCHD prioritizes yield, dividend, safety, stability. This makes SCHD incredibly popular among retirees, near retirees, income-focused investors, but popularity doesn't always equal perfection. DGRO overview: the income grower. DGRO takes a different path. Instead of asking, who pays the highest dividend today? DGRO asks, who will pay much more in 10 years? DGRO focuses on companies with a history of growing dividends, strong balance sheets, lower initial yield, higher long-term income growth. DGRO is designed for investors still accumulating, early retirees, anyone worried about inflation eating their income alive. Yield versus dividend growth, the core battle. This entire comparison between SCHD and DGRO boils down to one fundamental question: do you want more income now, or more income later? SCHD and DGRO answer that question very differently. SCHD, higher starting yield. SCHD is designed to deliver a higher upfront yield, strong quarterly income, predictable cash flow. This appeals strongly to retirees already living off dividends, investors who need income today, not decades from now. When you open your brokerage account and look at SCHD, the income feels real immediately. DGRO, lower yield, faster growth. DGRO, on the other hand, starts with a lower yield, prioritizes dividend growth, not size, sacrifices income today for income tomorrow. This is where many investors get uncomfortable. They see DGRO's yield and think, that's not enough to live on. But yield alone is not the full story. Why high yield can be a trap. Here's the uncomfortable truth: high yield is easy. Sustainable income is hard. Many dividend strategies fail because dividends look safe until a recession hits and payouts get cut or frozen. SCHD reduces this risk by focusing on dividend quality, avoiding unstable companies, maintaining conservative payout ratios. But even SCHD is not immune to slower dividend growth, inflation pressure, long periods of flat income. This is where DGRO quietly shines. Dividend growth, the silent retirement weapon. Dividend growth does something yield alone cannot: it protects your purchasing power. Imagine this scenario: You retire at age 60, you live until age 90, inflation averages just 3%. That means your cost of living doubles over retirement if your dividends don't grow faster than inflation. Your lifestyle shrinks every year. DGRO's advantage. DGRO is built around companies that increase dividends year after year, can raise prices, generate expanding cash flows over time. DGRO's income can catch up to SCHD and eventually surpass it, but this takes patience and discipline. Income during market crashes. This is where dividend investing gets tested. Because income that disappears during a crash is not retirement income. SCHD in down markets. SCHD historically performs well because it avoids speculative companies, it emphasizes financial stability, it favors established businesses during market stress. Dividends tend to hold up better, income volatility is lower, this is why retirees love SCHD. DGRO in down markets. DGRO behaves differently. More exposure to growth-oriented companies, lower yield buffers, higher sensitivity to market cycles. However, dividend growth often resumes faster after downturns. Long-term income recovers strongly. This creates a trade-off. SCHD equals smoother income. DGRO equals faster recovery over time. Total income over time, not just year one. Most investors ask the wrong question. They ask, which ETF pays more this year? The better question is, which ETF pays more over 10, 20, or 30 years? Because retirement is not a one-year event. Over long periods, SCHD often leads early, DGRO often wins later. This timing difference is the key to deciding which ETF fits your age, your risk tolerance, and your retirement timeline. Why total return still matters in retirement. Many dividend investors make a dangerous mistake. They believe once they retire, total return no longer matters. That couldn't be further from the truth. Even in retirement, total return determines how long your portfolio lasts, whether dividends keep growing, how resilient your capital is during downturns. If your ETF pays income but slowly bleeds value, your future income is at risk. So now, we step back and ask, which ETF actually protects and grows capital while paying dividends? NAV stability, the foundation of safe income. NAV, or net asset value, is the engine behind dividend sustainability. SCHD's NAV behavior. SCHD is built to minimize volatility, favor stable, cash-generating companies, avoid speculative growth exposure. What this means: fewer extreme swings, slower drawdowns, less emotional pressure during bear markets for retirees. NAV stability equals peace of mind, less temptation to sell at the worst possible time. DGRO's NAV behavior. DGRO accepts more short-term volatility, higher sensitivity to market cycles, larger drawdowns during aggressive sell-offs, but in exchange, faster long-term capital growth, stronger recoveries after market crashes. This is the classic trade-off. SCHD equals smoother ride. DGRO equals higher long-term ceiling. Drawdowns. How bad does it get? Drawdowns are not theoretical. They are the moments when headlines are screaming, portfolios are down, and fear takes over. SCHD in bear markets. SCHD tends to fall less than the broader market, recover more slowly, maintain dividend payments. This makes it ideal for investors already withdrawing income, anyone who cannot emotionally tolerate large swings. DGRO in bear markets. DGRO can experience deeper drawdowns, faster rebounds, more dramatic recovery phases. For long-term investors, this volatility is the price of growth, not a flaw, but a feature, but only if you can stay invested. Risk-adjusted returns. Not all returns are equal. A higher return means nothing if it comes with unbearable risk or forces you to sell at the wrong time. SCHD's risk profile. SCHD offers lower volatility, more predictable outcomes, strong downside protection. This creates high confidence income, lower stress, fewer behavioral mistakes. DGRO's risk profile. DGRO offers higher volatility, higher long-term growth potential, greater exposure to economic expansion for disciplined investors. Risk is compensated over time for emotional investors. Risk becomes a liability. Behavioral finance, the hidden decider. Here's something charts won't tell you. The best ETF is the one you can hold through a full market cycle. If you panic, DGRO may be too aggressive. If you fear inflation, SCHD may feel too slow. Your personality matters just as much as performance. Which ETF protects capital better? So which one truly protects your money? The answer depends on time horizon. Short to mid-retirement SCHD, long retirement runway DGRO, blended approach often best, and that brings us to the most important section of this entire video. SCHD-only retirement portfolio. A 100% SCHD portfolio is simple. That simplicity is its greatest strength, and its greatest weakness. Why investors choose SCHD only: immediate income, low volatility, easy to manage, minimal decision making for retirees who already have pensions, have modest spending needs, value stability over growth. SCHD can work very well. The hidden risk, the danger is not dividend cuts or volatility, the real risk is inflation slowly eroding purchasing power. If expenses rise faster than dividends, lifestyle shrinks, stress increases later in retirement. SCHD alone works best for shorter retirement timelines, conservative income needs, investors who prioritize peace of mind. DGRO-only retirement portfolio. A DGRO-only portfolio requires confidence. This strategy is not about comfort today, it's about confidence in the future. Why investors choose DGRO only: strong dividend growth, capital appreciation, inflation protection, long-term sustainability. This fits early retirees, investors with other income sources, those willing to tolerate volatility. The trade-off: DGRO demands patience, emotional discipline, lower income early on, but for long retirements, income grows, capital strengthens, flexibility increases. DGRO alone works best for 30-plus year retirement horizons, growth-oriented retirees, investors who don't need income immediately. SCHD plus DGRO combination. This is where most investors land. Because it balances income growth, stability, inflation protection. Example allocation: 60% SCHD, 40% DGRO. Income-focused retirees: 50% SCHD, 50% DGRO. Balanced retirement: 40% SCHD, 60% DGRO. Growth-oriented retirement benefits: income today from SCHD, income growth from DGRO, smoother volatility than DGRO alone, better inflation protection than SCHD alone. This combination reduces behavioral mistakes, sequence of returns risk, long-term income anxiety. When to choose each ETF? Choose SCHD if you need income now, volatility keeps you up at night, retirement is imminent or underway. Choose DGRO if you have a long runway, you fear inflation more than volatility, you can stay invested during downturns. Choose both if you want income and growth, you want flexibility, you want a retirement portfolio that adapts over time. So which ETF can actually fund your retirement? The honest answer is this: SCHD funds retirement today. DGRO funds retirement tomorrow. Neither is perfect alone. Together, they form a dividend strategy that pays you, grows with you, and protects your future lifestyle. As we reach the end of this deep dive into SCHD versus DGRO, one thing should now be very clear: this was never about which ETF is better. It was always about which ETF is better for you. Because retirement investing is not a competition. It's a long, personal journey, and the wrong choice doesn't usually fail overnight. It fails quietly. It fails when inflation slowly erodes your income. It fails when volatility forces emotional decisions. It fails when income looks good on paper but doesn't hold up in real life. What SCHD teaches us is the power of reliability. Reliable income, reliable companies, reliable expectations. SCHD is not exciting, and that's exactly why retirees love it. It's designed to give you confidence, stability, and peace of mind when income matters most. What DGRO teaches us is the power of growth. Growing dividends, growing capital, growing purchasing power. DGRO reminds us that retirement doesn't stop inflation, and neither should your portfolio. And that's why, for many investors, the real answer isn't SCHD or DGRO. It's SCHD and DGRO. Income for today. Growth for tomorrow. And a portfolio that doesn't force you to guess what the market will do next. If this video helped clarify your retirement strategy, take a moment to like the video so more dividend investors can find it. Subscribe for long form, no hype investing content, and comment below which ETF, SCHD, DGRO, or both, fits your retirement plan, because the best investment strategy is the one you can stick with for decades.